Let's study the dispersion of white light by a glass prism. We have taken a triangular glass prism and a source of light. Let's pass a light ray into the prism. The prism splits the incident white light into a band of colors. The various colors seen are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. Why do we get these colors? As the light passes through a prism, different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray. The red light bends the least, while the violet light the most. Thus, the rays of each color emerge along different paths and become distinct.